Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Ayun, ang sweet ng kiss.
Wait. What did you see? Akong glong.
Guys, today is the wedding day of my youngest brother Giovanni. So dito po kami sa glamping resort. Dito po yung venue. So nagsisit up pa lang kasi 4 o'clock yung ano ng kasal. So ano po stuff. Andun po, ayan. Dito po siya. Ayun, ang ganda ng ano. So, yun. Ito may band. At yung yun. There's the view, guys.
So parang ano lang kayo? Oh, continue lang po. Sige, go.
Ayun guys, yung ano namin. Anong tawagin sa Tagalog yung ano? Binalay? Yung yun ang sister-in-law namin. Ayun o, yung sa gitna.
Mga kasing height so pero di lahat kayo upo ah. Ito alam ko na. Sige boys, ready? Congrats si groom mo.
Si Dulo, Idulo!
Idulo, maing hapon kanimo diyan. Guys.
Ito na. Welcome.
Kapag ito na diba? Kuha ni mo. Mag-vlog ba rin ako?
Shoutout.
Shoutout sa akong mga higala diha sa
ikaw, Marjo.
Terus na 13th Avenue. Si Jeda na.
Okay, let's rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Right, sige.
Kala sila diri. Pagpuas mo dito.
Babalik niya sa
Guys.
Magunay mo si Linya.
Dashay. Diri tada.
Is ongoing. You may start using your phone once our newly wedded couple is wed officially. Please do enjoy their special moment, fully present, and please put away your phones. Thank you so much.
After mo sa principal.
Oy, smile mo. Smile, te.
Goodness of God, 'cause all my life you have been faithful. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good with every breath that I am able. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is.
Shout out to Adam.
Hallelujah. No other name deserves to be honored and glorified this afternoon